first thing of the day.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for central Stafford County in northern Virginia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Stafford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stafford around 12:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ramla, Whitewater, Aquia, Roseville, Glenby, Garrisonville, Arcandale, Ruby, and Cherry Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is the New Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KHP36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency.
Okay, well, I was not expecting that for the first alert of the day. Well, until the next alert, Frederick County. Bro!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 2:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Quantico, Whitewater, Mason Neck State Park, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Lake Sylvania State Park, and Smallwood State Park. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. A frontal zone will waver across the mid.
Okay, until the next alert, Frederick County. Next time. That's a very warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 3:15 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Colonial Beach, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Westmoreland State Park, Swan Point, United States, 301 Ninth Memorial Bridge, Oaks Creek, and Colonial Beach. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and I-95 corridor through central Maryland, northern Virginia.
Okay, it's up next for Frederick County. Next time.
This watch includes the following counties: District of Columbia and the following counties in Maryland: Calvert, Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, Prince George's, and St. Mary's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Malden, Madison, Orange, Prince William, Rappahannock, Spotsylvania, Catherine and Warren, and the following independent cities: Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park and Manassas, Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Indian Point, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Ridge to Indian Head, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, and falls up Scent River. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Rappahannock, Lafayette, Shenandoah, and Warren, and eastern West Virginia, including the following. Now for the National Weather Service Marine forecast for the Tidal Potomac from Key Ridge to Smith Point. This afternoon, east winds 10 knots, and waves northward. Hazardous weather conditions are expected through this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in...
Okay, there we go. Anyway, if 261 decide to crap out on me and decide, well, I just don't want to activate for this. Because I'm like, no! This could have been a perfect activation if the 261 just decided I need to actually properly activate, but it just decided to ignore it because the headers were probably too long. Yeah, these radios, sometimes if the headers are too long, they might just completely ignore it altogether. Yeah, especially if reception is not very good. Well, okay, until the next episode.
Northwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, central Virginia County in western Virginia, until 9 p.m. or 4:42 p.m. Down to the radar strategic thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Luray, Broadway, Perryville, Shenandoah, Mount Jackson, Stanley, New Market, Quicksburg, Newport, Shenandoah Caverns, Forestville, Alma, Hunterville, Lazy Spring, Leesville, Hamburg, and Kingstown, Linville, Cherry Grove. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Lawns Road at Meadowview Drive, River Road at EYGP Cleveland Road, Old Ford Road near Hottertail Creek, and Linden Avenue at Virginia Avenue. Turn around, don't drive like encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Tornado watch number 392 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties: District of Columbia and the following counties in Warren County, Montgomery, Georgia, and St. Wells, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington,
a frequency of 162.475
That thing really decoded for a special
an
radio.
antenna
Right.
located in Hagerstown,
This radio
Maryland.
here is being ridiculous.
The current time is 4:40.
And acknowledge. Ridiculous 261. You're fired! That 261 there making all the other Radio Shack radios look bad. Oh my goodness, man, bro. This 261 better get his act together. Okay, until the next one. Fresh Captain Dick,
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage roadway vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cultivar, Catawba, Elmwood, Evansford, Brandy Station, Chilton, Jeffersonville, Turnbull, Midley, Bealcott, Cordova, Raven, Ritzville, Atlantis, Remington, Boston, and Winston.
Tornado possible.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once to the basement or small central room in a certain region. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern, central, and northwestern Virginia. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern page, southwestern Virginia, and central Rocky.
A warm frontal boundary an area of low pressure will lift northward across the region today, bringing multiple rounds of scattered.
Okay, let's see. This stupid 261 here is ruining every single activation. I swear, man. That freaking 261 there is being stupid, it's being bad. I don't like it. Okay, until the next refresher catching WX.
Thunderstorm warning for the southeastern city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Spotsylvania, Oregon, 13 miles northeast of Mineral, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Gatewood, Logan, Hartlow, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Brokenburg, Glenora, Parkstove, Thornburg, Snow, Altown, and Fredericksburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and northern Virginia. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach. Tonight, east winds 5 to 10.
Alright, until the next refresher catching. There we go.
Some thunderstorms may be severe. Moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage roadway and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Alma, Newport, Tunis, Orkney Springs, Hunterville, Chandler Cavern, Phoenixville, Buckeye Bright Mountain, Mount Jackson, Hamburg, Quickford, Kingstown, Timberville, Forestville, Mount Clifton, New Market, Basseye, and Luray. to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for western and northwestern Virginia. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. Tonight, cloudy. Showers and scattered thunderstorms until...
So yeah, the 261 has been failing all day long to activate properly. Womp womp. But also, for risk for today has also seemed to be busting so far because it has not really been doing anything. I mean, there's a tornado watch, but none of these storms have been tornadic. There's only been like, let's see, one tornado warning today, and that was before the tornado watch was even issued. This seems more like it was worthy of a regular severe thunderstorm watch. And also, there's been a super long time between alerts being issued. There has not been any double headers or triple headers, as you have probably seen. I'm going to say that today is kind of busting so far. I don't really see anything going on. Lame. But until the next alert, Fresher County WX.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 9 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Fairview Beach, moving at 630 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Swan Point, Neptune Point, United States, 3019 Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjanoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Oaks Creek, Westmoreland State Park, Fairview Beach, and Cobb Island. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern Maryland, central and northern Virginia, and adjacent coastal waters. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flood watch remains in effect.
Okay, until the next alert, Fresher County WX signing.
National Weather Service. For the following counties, Shenandoah, Virginia. Flood warning in effect until midnight tonight. Replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northwest Virginia, including the following counties, Shenandoah. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until midnight tonight. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 8:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impact will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Jackson, New Market, Shenandoah Caverns, Quicksburg, and Kingstown. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay, until the next alert, Frederick County WX signing out.